And there has been no official word on the reason for the withdrawal of world champion Shericka Jackson from the women's 200 meters. Minutes before she was set to contest Heat 2 of the half-lap event in Paris, news emerged that Jackson has been withdrawn. This follows her decision not to contest the women's 100 meters, which resulted in Shashali Forbes being her replacement. Jackson had previously suggested that she would be ready for the 200 meters. Now, Jackson has not competed since pulling up at the Hungarian Grand Prix on July 9, and her absence, in combination with the withdrawal of Shelley Fraser-Pryce from the semi-final of the women's 100 meters, puts Jamaica's women's 4x100 meter relay team in serious doubt.